What's up YouTube, it's cell phone talking devices here. So I'm gonna make another unboxing video today. It is 10:37 in the evening on a beautiful May 13th on a Friday. So, like I said, I got as far as you know, I got my Samsung GS7 Edge, titanium silver on Verizon. And today I went to Best Buy Mobile. I was considering maybe getting the black, but I found out I went a day over my warranty, which I didn't even know before I could change phones. So now that's over, unfortunately. So, but while I was there, I did get something interesting, and this is what the video is about. Today, I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the Modal, what do you want to call it? The Modal 3-foot lighted micro USB charging cable. So this is a micro USB cable that fits any phone that supports micro USB, such as my phone does. As you can see there, this is actually a waterproof micro USB unit. So dip this in water and you're totally fine. So there were several of these things. There was a green one and a red one. No, that's it. I went for the blue because personally I'm more of a blue colored kind of person, and I kind of like blue. I don't know why. So yeah, let's go and unbox this. So on the back it shows you what the types, like the stage of lighting there is. So if it's doing a rapid charge, which my phone does support, the lights move rapidly. If it's when the lights move slow, it means it's finishing charging, and then when it's fully charged, lights just go out. So yeah, this ought to be interesting. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open, shall we? Move this thing out of the way. I don't want it to drop. Oh, it's in here. So this is the thing itself. It doesn't look much like it, but yeah, it's ought to be interesting to find out. So yeah, like I said, this is a micro USB cable, as you can see. It fits. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into my regular wall charger here. Like so. Let me get down to my power source down here. Okay, now it's got power. Now, the moment of truth. Does it work? And yes, it does. These lights are moving. It's almost like as there's liquid in this thing, like it's juicing this thing up. Damn, this is interesting. Really interesting. So yeah, that pretty much covers it for today. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Hope to comment and subscribe below, and as always, say it with me. Peace out.